So in this video, I'm just going to discuss the Robinhood referral program and how you can earn up to $175 in free stocks by just referring any friends to Robinhood. But just before we dive into it, if you're not currently signed up to Robinhood and you're looking for a sign up link, I'll be leaving my own sign up link in the description and you're more than welcome to use it. And by using it, both of us will get free stock out of it. And that could be from anywhere between $7 to $175 in free stock. So to jump straight into it, to refer your friends to Robinhood, you'll just want to go on the Robinhood app here and then just click on the reward section at the top here. Then once you've done that, as you can see here, invite your friends to Robinhood and you'll be able to earn up to $175 for both of you in free stock. So each time a friend downloads Robinhood through your link, and the moment they fund their account, you'll be rewarded with free stock in between $7 and $175. And this stock can be from companies like Apple or any other major US company. But obviously do note in the small print that 96% of the rewards are between $7 to $8. So if you're ready to refer your friends to Robinhood, you'll just want to click on the Share My Link option at the bottom here. And then once you've done that, it will then copy your link to your phone dashboard and you can go ahead and send it to your friend. But before we wrap up the video, if we click on how it works here, we'll just quickly dive into what your friend needs to do for you both to be eligible for the reward. So really, it is quite a simple process as there are only really 3 steps. But the 3 steps are: 1, send your link to your friend and get them to sign up. The second one is they need to fund their account. And again, this can be any amount, even as little as £1. And then for the third step, once they've funded their account, you'll both then get the option to pick your new stock. And again, that can be with any major US company that's on Robinhood, usually like companies like Apple. And that is pretty much it. So if you'd like to sign up to Robinhood using my link, I'll leave it below. And you'll also be eligible for this offer on signing up too. So make sure you use my link in order to get your free stock. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.